and it's refillable, so you can... Excuse me, mister, I was talking.
The car be opening on its own.
What's that little yumminess you got right there?
Check the shake.
Let me get a sip.
What's good, guys? So it's finally time to leave. We just got packed up. I'm super excited to go. I was here 3 days before Nas and everybody got here, so I'm super exhausted. It's been 7 days in Vegas. I've walked a lot. I've seen everything. I've had so many late nights and early mornings. Like, I am so ready to just go home and fall back into my routine.
I'm not about to be in this beginning part because this lighting is not doing it for me.
Nas didn't like the lighting. I don't care.
Mel, I was like, wait, let me get in the intro with you. And he's like, nah, I'm taking over this
Yeah, I'm
vlog.
taking over this vlog because, you know, she's been really, you know, doing the vlogging. So I'm taking over today because I'm just that excited to get home and go see Kayvon. Like, literally, it's been 7 days. I feel like it's been 7 years. Like, I feel like he's probably learned so many new things and doing so many different things since I've seen him last. So I'm excited to get back home and give him some kisses. So I'm just waiting for Nas so we can go.
I'm the one taking my suitcases.
How am I going to take your suitcase? I have my own bag.
What are meant for, honestly?
You literally have a wheel. She has a 4-wheel suit. Like, you don't even have to do any work to carry that suitcase downstairs.
I'm a lady.
You want to carry my bags then?
Yeah.
That bag of hoodies is heavy. That's a bag full of just hoodies. See? Beggars can't be choosers.
Yeah, guys, I just ordered myself new suitcase set. It was time. My other one cracked. And I love these so much. They're so cute.
Yeah, I'm kind of jealous. These are nice.
They're nice. They have a lot of cool features.
I'm about to order me one when we get back home.
Yeah.
Nice.
And they come with, the reason I like these is because they have a lifetime warranty. So my other one, the whole bottom of it cracked. I was like, I don't want that to happen again. So if this one cracks at all, I have my whole life to return it. I can return it in like 10 years if I want to. And they'll give me another one. This man forgot the vlog camera in the hotel, but we just came to grab some breakfast, you guys. It looks so good. So, look at what they got.
Oh, you see my leg?
He got himself a a California breakfast burrito. Has like potato and egg. I got, so this is a I don't know, I got 2 different types of Benedict. This one has like carne asada, this one has like shredded beef, but it looks so good. Hey guys, we just stopped to charge the Tesla. It takes like 30 minutes for us to charge. By the way, it's such a windy area. I don't know why, but I like my outfit, so I'm like, why don't I just do a little shoot while we wait for the car to charge? Guys, it is literally so windy here. Where are we right now? What part of California is this? Let me see. We're by the Mojave Desert. I don't think... Pikes Lane, Baker, California. We're in Baker, California right now. I've been asleep this whole entire car ride so far. Been driving for like 2 hours, I would say. So before we started driving about 2 hours ago, I put this new air freshener in our car. And once you guys saw I stepped out of the car and I came back in, it smells so good in here, you guys. So I want to talk to y'all about this new air freshener we got for the car called Drift. So this little thingy-mabobber right here is Drift, and Drift is a natural air care subscription service. They've combined a functional, minimal design that blends in while standing out with their amazing scents. And we all know that a classic car air freshener is just an eyesore. Let's be real, it's such an eyesore. I absolutely hate it. This is what we used to have in our car. Like, no tea, no shade if you guys still have this in your car, but it's not the look, it's not the vibe, it's just sticks out. It's an eyesore. I just never like these. So the fact that I discovered Drift and they have these beautiful, super discreet designs for your car air freshener is just so modern. So Drift has 3 different styles for the air freshener. This one right here is the Rove air freshener, and I love this one the most because, again, it's just super discreet, super sleek. And this is how the little scents come. So they come in this little disc, and it's refillable, so you can... Excuse me, mister, I was talking.
The car be opening on its own.
What's that little yumminess you got right there?
Chocolate shake.
Let me get a sip. And it comes with refillable little scent discs like this. The one we currently have in our air freshener is called Amber. It smells so good. And the main scent is, of course, amber, but it also has fresh water and I think lavender. Doesn't it just smell so relaxing?
Yeah.
Kind of like a spa in here.
It smells good without being overpowering.
Yeah, because you guys know I'm really sensitive with scents. I hate scents that give me a headache, super overpowering, and this one is not that. So the main scent in amber is, of course, amber, but it's also fresh rain and lavender. It's just super soothing. It kind of smells like a spa in here, I would say. And it's not overpowering at all. This one's nice and mild.
Yeah, I like this.
Yeah, and again, it comes with these refillable little discs that you just put in your air freshener. So they have a bunch of their classic scents, but they also have seasonal scents that they rotate out. And the one I have right now, because of St. Patrick's Day that recently passed, this one here is called Irish. And it smells so fresh and minty. This one's Irish. This is for St. Patrick's Day. So again, you can also just pick the scent of the month because they do change it out seasonally.
So another thing that we love about them is that it uses essential oils and natural ingredients, especially with us riding with Vaughn in the car all the time. We like the fact that it doesn't have any harmful ingredients added into it.
Yeah, no toxic chemicals. It's super clean. We also love that Drift is super customizable. We love that you can add or swap your scents anytime and also cancel whenever you need to. And you can also pick how often you want the refills sent to your door. We also love, again, how sleek and minimal the design is. And you can also adjust with the diffuser how much fragrance you want. So if you want a strong fragrance, you can make it bigger. If you want it less, you can make it smaller. We also love that it's just better for the environment. It's made right here in the US, and also you get free shipping on every single order. If you guys want to try out Drift for yourselves, you guys can click the link in our description box, and new customers can get 20% off your first Rove starter kit. Also, you guys will get free shipping on your first order. So make sure you guys click the link down below to check it out. And we got our snacks for the rest of the ride. We got our Coke Zero. You guys already know. Coke addict over here. The crazy thing is I didn't even ask for this, and Mel just bought it anyway. And Mel got us the Jersey Mike's. You guys know I love Jersey Mike's. What sandwich did you get us, babe?
The sandwich we did.
The turkey provolone? He got a giant. Look at this. Look at this thing. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but Kayvon looks so tan. The camera's not doing him justice, guys, but he looks so tan. Yeah, because Baba and Kayvon have been going to the park every single day. Baba, you got tan too.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got a little bit of color too.
We play in the park. We have fun. Winnie.
Oh, I missed you. Guys, we missed him so much. I love these curls. I miss these curlies. I miss these curlies. Okay, I'll leave you alone. Okay, mommy will leave you alone. Oh no, you want huggy? Oh, okay.
Some crunchers.
Give some crunchies. Oh, there's one too well. Okay. Ask him if you can have some.
Can I have some?
You're so cute. Can I have some? Kayvon. I want some. Kayvon. Kayvon, can I have some? Oh, thank you. Nom, 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 nom. Yummy. Now this is the worst part about traveling, is coming home and unpacking and doing laundry and stuff, but I always like to dedicate the day I come home from a trip to unpacking. I'm also going to go ahead and unpack Mel's bag because he's working on our Vegas vlog right now, so we can get that up for you guys. Yeah, guys, it's just going to be a big day of cleaning and laundry. So it's actually been not just a few hours, a lot of hours, and I'm still not done. I keep on getting sidetracked, you guys. I keep on like telling myself I just need to bust it out, and then I go downstairs and hang out with Kayvon. This guy came today to measure out closets because I'm getting Kayvon's closet done as well as the other guest room closets done. So then when he came, he was here for like 2 hours. So I just like got distracted. I don't know. I'm making excuses. It's really not that much, but I just keep on putting it off. I do have a load of laundry in the wash right now, but Mama and Baba are going to be making some kebabs. I think they're already started. So let's go see what they're up to. It smells so good in here. What do we have here?
Yeah, we do chicken. This is chicken here. Yeah.
We got chicken bag, making some beef kubire. And then, what's this, Mama? Mama's making food for Kayvon that we can put in the freezer. This is qaimah. She's making a big batch of it for him, and then I can just pop it in the microwave or in the oven, or not in the oven, on the stove. We got beef batag over here. Got some rice cooking in the rice cooker.
I want to enjoy it with us, everybody. Just we decided now to make some kebab for Nazi, Yasi, Mel, Mama, Kaywani, everybody. And please subscribe it. Don't forget it, huh? That is very important.
Yes,
Guys,
subscribe.
very important. Yeah.
K1 is my love.
Our
Yeah.
I'm not your love anymore?
You are, but K1 now is
Number one
special.
love?
little bit.
Yeah. I do قيمة. We put it in the freezer and you give him and tell him this is my money. Subscribe and thumb up like this, like this.
Love the smell of just the charcoal burning. It's so warm outside tonight too, guys. It just feels like a summer day, like smelling the charcoal, the warm weather.
He's
always scared of the grill.
Scared. Baba.
Kayvon, look.
Kayvon, look. Hot. Hot,
Say
Papa.
those.
Hot.
Okay.
You don't want it.
Okay.
You don't want it.
Yummy. Look at all that kebab.
I'm a chef.
Hey guys, it's actually been a few days and I finally finished cleaning the room. I don't know why it took me so long this time. I feel like I was just so tired from the trip. Don't you guys feel like that? Like when you have a vacation that's full of activities, you feel like you need a vacation from your vacation, like you need a few days to recharge and rest, because that's how I felt. But finally, I finished putting away all the clothes, laundry's done. Everything is back to normal. Just having that big basket of clothes on the floor for a few days was like stressing me out. Pretty much the rest of the day, I have some stuff I need to order online because finally they're gonna be moving on to something else in our backyard. So they're almost done with the pool. Tomorrow they're gonna add the tile and the coping and stuff like that. They are also going to start working on the outdoor barbecue. So if you guys have been keeping up with this new house, we have just basically been living in a giant pile of dirt for a year and a half now. So pretty much with landscaping, it's just been taking so much more work than I thought. Buying a house with absolutely no landscaping, like guys, our house doesn't even have a tree. We don't have a speck of grass. Like we literally have nothing. So we kind of have to do that all on our own, and just dealing with approvals, with COVID and all the delays, it's just been a mess. And the thing with our backyard is our landscaper told us we shouldn't move on to anything else until the pool is pretty much done. He said not to add the grass until the pool is done. He said not to work on the basketball court until the pool is done. He said not even to do the front lawn until the pool is done, because they take the materials for the pool through the side with their trucks and stuff. So they're like, our trucks will basically ruin your lawn, and we just rather have it all done before we move on. I'm actually going to take you guys to the backyard to show you guys what it looks like so far, but I'm just so happy they're finally moving forward with something. Okay, so little mini backyard update. So this is our little patio area. You guys saw earlier in the year, we did get our tile done down here. So when we bought this house, this area was literally just blank concrete, so we added this tile. It makes it look so nice. So pretty much this area, we're eventually going to add windows, like actual like glass in that little cutout. And then also I want to do some stuff to the ceiling, maybe some like wood. And then this is just going to be an outdoor dining room. And then we're also going to I want to do stone on this wall, and then also a TV right here. Again, this backyard is just such a mess. These boxes right here, these are the chairs we bought for the outdoor dining table, but we don't want to open them up because, again, our backyard isn't done. It's just all dirt. So we just didn't want all this dirt to just get all over our backyard chairs before we even got to, you know, sit on them. Guys, I have never seen a pool being built before until this, so it's just absolutely insane how much piping it requires. Like, I don't know why, I just thought they kind of dig a hole in the ground and then fill it up with water, but no, guys, look. They have to run all these pipes through the side of the house. Luckily we have no neighbors on this side, it's so nice, but literally we have all these pipes just connecting to the pool. And then in this side right here, this is where they're gonna build our little basketball court. I think we're gonna do 30 by 30 for the sizing. So again, they can't start working on the basketball court to lay down the concrete until they're finished with all these pipes and stuff. And again, with COVID, they just have a lot of delays with the, ooh, almost slipped, with the city. And then here is our pool. So here is our lovely pool. They actually just worked on the concrete about a few weeks ago. And so tomorrow they're coming with the tile and the coping. So that's gonna be our little hot tub, jacuzzi. I love that it's on the corner with no neighbors. So I feel like if we're out at night, and we're loud, it won't be that bad. Then we have a Baja shelf right there. So in the backyard, we decided to do real grass, and then the front lawn, we're gonna do fake grass. So I just figured for kids and stuff, it would just be better to have, you know, real grass. And then over here where this mountain is, sorry guys with the sun is setting, in this area, this is where our outdoor barbecue is gonna go. So again, I just need to order, they said I need to order like the grill, the fridge, everything like that so they can build the foundation for it. Honestly guys, just having a pool being built in my backyard is just, it's so surreal. I just want you guys to know, like, this is just such a huge blessing for me. I'm so thankful and grateful for everything I have, for the life I've built. I'm so thankful for you guys and your support. And I know it might not seem like a big deal to some people, but for me growing up, I didn't really have much. I hate saying this because this is when people want to make it a competition and come in the comments like, well, I didn't have this, you had that. It is not a competition, y'all. I'm just saying I didn't come from money. I didn't grow up with handouts. I didn't come from rich parents, even though people think that they know everything. I really did not. I was raised by two incredibly hardworking immigrants who taught me hard work. My parents worked 24/7 my whole life. Like, we didn't have family days really. My parents didn't go to my sports games and stuff like that. I remember being picked up from practice whenever I had like ballet or swim team. I'd get picked up literally 3 hours later because someone couldn't leave the restaurant to come pick me up. Like, trust me guys, I've seen hard work. My parents are so hardworking, and I'm just so thankful that they instilled such a good work ethic in me. And to be able to have this house and build a pool for my family, for my kids to enjoy, again, it's just something so crazy and surreal to me. Like, this is such a big deal to me. I look at this pool every day and I don't just see a pool. Like, this to me is just, like, I grew up thinking that if you had more than one bathroom in your house, like, you were rich. Like, you had a kitchen island, you were rich. Honestly guys, from the bottom of my heart, I'm so thankful to you guys. I'm so thankful to myself for starting a YouTube channel years ago. Like, I'm so thankful that I took that step. And just take this as your sign. If you're somebody who wants to start something, whether it be a YouTube channel, Instagram, TikTok, or even screw social media, if you guys want to start a business or anything like that, just take that chance. I know it's super scary, but you never know what might come out of it. People can fear failure so much to the point where they just block their own blessings. And I could have easily came up with a million and one excuses to not start my YouTube channel, to not start my social media career, and I would not be where I am today. So if you're someone who's just been sitting here deciding whether you want to start it or not, or you're just scared of getting judged by your peers or judged by your family members for what you're doing, honestly, screw them and just start it. And also, I know a lot of people are like, I'm gonna wait till I get the nicest camera, I'm gonna wait until I lose 20 pounds, I'm gonna wait until my skin gets clear to start. But no, take this as a sign to start today. Stop making excuses. The best you can do, like, if you start now and your content isn't where you want it to be, you can always get better. We all start somewhere. We all start at zero. I started out with 0 followers, 0 subscribers. No one knew who the hell I was. And I really got to build such a beautiful life and a platform, and I really want that for everybody. Again, it doesn't even have to do with social media. It has to do with anything you guys want to do in life, whether it's something that you want to study that your parents don't agree with, or it's something that goes against the norm, or you're just scared to start a business. Like, honestly, just let all that doubt go and just start. I swear the hardest part is just getting started. It's just like going to the gym. You know, just getting ready to go to the gym is just so hard. You're like, ugh, I don't want to work out. But once you actually get to the gym, you always kill it. Honestly, guys, I'm just so grateful for all of you. And just to show my gratitude, I'm giving away $100. I just randomly thought of this. I'm giving away $100 in the comment section of this video. So literally just comment whatever. You don't have to comment anything in specific. Just comment down below. Maybe something good that's happened in your life, something that you feel like sharing, and make sure you guys put your Cash App, and I'll pick a random person, and your Instagram, so I can tag you on Instagram. But I'll pick a random person and y'all will get $100. So make sure you guys comment down below. And with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Make sure y'all give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for more videos, and stay tuned for our next video. Bye guys.